Do you have a local network with computers and other devices, and you need to administer them? The Tenstrike LAN State Pro program will help you. With its help, you can scan the network, add devices to the map, organize monitoring of their performance, and observe the current state of the entire network. The graphic map allows you to visually observe the state of the devices and immediately see where something went offline. You can monitor not only the office equipment, but also any devices that can be accessed via a local network or the internet. The lines and indicators can display the current information on various parameters received from devices in real time, and you can observe it. One of the main advantages of the program is that using the network map, you can more quickly and conveniently manage your devices. The program is minimized to the system tray and runs in the background on the administrator's computer. When needed, you can display it on the screen with the mouse or press the special hotkey and manage the devices. Let's consider some basic administration and monitoring operations that the program allows you to perform. The program can scan the network and build a network topology map, or you can open and edit an existing map file. Let's find new hosts on the network. To do this, click Find New Devices. Then a window with parameters opens, and you start the scanning process. When finished, the found devices are automatically added to the map. While editing the map, we can change device icons, stretch and shrink them, connect with lines, label them, and draw areas. You can also upload a building plan as a background image. You can check the availability of hosts using a ping check. To do this, select the ping menu item under the Host tab or use the map's context menu. You can also remotely turn on, turn off, and restart a computer or a server using the program. To do this, select the appropriate menu item under the Host tab of the main menu, or use the map context menu. If you try to perform the ping check after shutting down a server, it will not work. This means that the server has actually shut down. You can turn the host back on in the same way, using the Wake on LAN function. Now don't forget to enable it in the computer's BIOS. Now, let's try to pull up the list of services and stop one of them on a server. To do this, right-click on the host we want to see, then click on System Information and select the appropriate item. Now, we have a list of all services available on the server. We can start, stop, and restart the required service. You can also check the list of processes running and stop the necessary ones. Or you can view the event log on the server. For example, it's often necessary to review the error logs for new entries. Similarly, you can view the remote registry. If you want to receive some information from network devices and monitor their actual parameters, you can create an SNMP monitoring check. Right-click on a host to open the Check Parameters menu. Select the appropriate menu item. We can monitor the processor load, for example. To see the result of the check directly on the map, you can add a graphic indicator. To add an indicator, right-click on an empty space on the map and select Add Indicator. Indicators can display any parameters of any device based on the monitoring checks being executed. For example, this can be the toner level in a printer, the battery charge in a UPS, or the channel load in a managed switch. If you need to connect to a computer using the RDP protocol, then you simply select this item in the context menu, enter your username and password, and you get access to the remote computer. The program allows you to set up a custom submenu in the Map context menu for managing devices and containing actions for performing various operations with a host. For example, it can be the ping check, opening a web page, opening shares, starting a remote session via RDP, or using any other installed remote control programs. Thousands of the world's companies, from small businesses to big mining companies and banks, use our software. To get a 30-day trial version of the program and try it out, please visit our website. Just go to the product page and click Download.